Hi everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another video, and I am so excited to do this video because two of the things that I really enjoy. First, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up button, leave me some comments at the bottom. Alright, let's get this one going. Two things that I like. Juice. I love watermelon juice. And Ciroc. Ciroc done did it again, y'all. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Ciroc. They done came out with a summer watermelon. Now, I don't know if y'all know this, but the summer colada is my favorite Ciroc. And so far, the only Ciroc that I don't like is the Ciroc VS. That's trash to me, in my opinion. But all the other ones that I've tried, so good. So when I seen that this was coming out, I was able to get my hands on it, and I am so happy. Look at this bottle. Beautiful bottle. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Ciroc, y'all, I did yourself on this bottle. This bottle is beautiful. Beautiful. Let's get into it, y'all. I already took off the little plastic that's normally wrapped around it. I already took that off. Let's get ready and open it because I don't want this video to be super long. Let's see what it smells like. Of course, the screw cap. Also, remember, this is an adult beverage and you must be 21 and older, and also drink responsibly. Oh wow. Do it smell like watermelon? It kind of smells like, it kind of smelled like watermelon, and it kind of smelled like perfume or maybe cherry or something. I don't know, maybe my smell is off or something. Okay, we're gonna go into the tasting. Now, Ciroc is always sweet. The flavor is always there. We gonna see. It don't smell like alcohol, you know, like vodka. It don't have that smell, but it most definitely have like a, I don't know, it don't really smell like watermelon to me. It kind of smell like, I don't know. But let's taste it. Let's go into the tasting. I'm kind of getting like a, not really watermelon, but more of a, like a cherry flavor. Of course, we all know Ciroc is always sweet, and it's always smooth. Ciroc is always smooth, except the VS. VS got a little bite to it. I'm just saying. But this, I don't know. I don't know about this one, Ciroc. To me, this has that cherry flavor instead of watermelon flavor. It's coming off to me more like NyQuil a little bit. Yeah. The watermelon flavor isn't there for me. It's not like a strong watermelon flavor. Like I said, it's more tasting like, almost like a medicine, a cherry flavored medicine to me. I hate that because I really like Ciroc. But we'll see. Let me add a little, I got some ice here. I'm gonna add a couple of things of ice. Maybe the flavors will really come out with the ice. Yeah. This one isn't all that good. It's just okay for me. I most definitely get that cherry flavored NyQuil. That's what I'm tasting. I just mixed up a drink, and this is almost like a Shirley Temple. I don't know if y'all know how to make that or not, but this is just 7-Up with a little bit of grenadine, the Ciroc. They actually match. So we're gonna see if it tastes better mixed versus just drinking it straight and on the rocks. Like I said, I just did a splash of grenadine. I put in 7-Up and then the watermelon Ciroc. Oh yeah. Now I taste the watermelon. That is good. So maybe this watermelon Ciroc is more or less not made for drinking straight. It's probably better if you mix it with a little 7-Up and grenadine and ice, and you could really get the full flavor of it. This is pretty good. Instead of Shirley Temple, we're gonna call this Shirley with a twist. A twist of watermelon. My take on the summer watermelon Ciroc. For me, this isn't a Ciroc that you could drink straight. To me, this is more for mixing. Like I said, get the 7-Up with a little bit of grenadine, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But yeah, get that and mix it in with this. You got a drink. That's a really good drink. But as far as drinking it straight up, it tastes like the cherry flavor NyQuil, in my opinion. So, I don't know. Have y'all tried this new Ciroc? Leave that down at the bottom what you think about it. Do you think it tastes like NyQuil or cherry flavor medicine? Because that's the take I'm getting on this one. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave me some comments at the bottom. All right, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.